Dear 9th grade students, वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फ़तेह। होप सो you all are fine। हाँ जी बेटा जी, you have to open your science book and book page number 189 as you know that our chapter number 14 natural resources is going on. Last time we did this chapter up to the page number 192 up to this activity. Now you have to open book page number 192 and today I am going to start from next topic of this one chapter. The topic name is air pollution. As you know about the many harmful substances which are present in air that causes air pollution. Okay, now we will discuss about air pollution in detail. Let's start from here. We keep hearing of the increasing level of oxides of nitrogen and sulfur in the news. People often bemoan the fact that the quality of air has gone down since their childhood. Beta, as you know about that, nitrogen and sulfur which is present in air, that is very harmful for us, that is very harmful for living organism, but the level of nitrogen and sulfur oxides increasing day by day in the air. People often bemoan the fact that the quality of air has gone down, and the quality, okay, means cleaning quality of air has gone down day by day since from our childhood. Okay, how is the quality of air affected and how does this change in quality affect us and other life forms? Now we will discuss about this question. How is the quality of air affected? Means ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਦੀ quality ਆ ਉਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ affect ਹੋਈ, ਕਿਉਂ down ਗਈ? How does this change in quality affect us? And ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ change quality ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਇਆ air ਦੀ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋਈ ਉਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ affect ਕਰੇਗੀ and other life forms ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ affect ਕਰੇਗੀ living organisms ਨੂੰ? The fossil fuels like coal and petroleum contain small amounts of nitrogen and sulfur. Beta, fossil fuel, coal and petroleum, these are two fossil fuel and they also contain small amount of nitrogen and sulfur. Okay, when these fuels are burnt, okay, when these fuels are burnt, petroleum and coal via vehicles, okay, nitrogen and sulfur too are burnt and this produce different oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. And ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ sulfur and nitrogen ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ present ਆ and ਉਹ ਵੀ burn ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ and they produce oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. Not only is the inhalation of these gases dangerous, they also dissolve in rain to give rise to acid rain. When these oxides dissolve in the air, then they cause air pollution, and when they dissolve in the rain water, okay, then they cause acidic rain, or that we call it acid rain. Okay, that is very harmful for us. The combustion of fossil fuels also increases the amount of suspended particles in air. Okay, combustion of fossil fuels also increases the amount of suspended means ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ particles. Okay, these suspended particles could be unburnt carbon particles or substances called hydrocarbons. Means those suspended particles could be unburnt, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ carbon ਦੇ particles, and other substances that we call it hydrocarbons. Presence of high level of all these pollutants cause visibility to be lowered. And if these pollutants are present in air, if these suspended particles are present in air, then they may affect to our eyes, they may affect to our visibility means ਆਪਣੀ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਨੂੰ, especially in cold weather when water also condenses out of the air. Means ਇਹ cold weather ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ affect ਕਰਨਗੇ because ਕਿਉਂਕਿ water ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾ ਉਹ condense ਹੋਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਵਾ air ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. Okay, this is known as smog, that we call it smog. Okay, smog means ਜਿਹੜਾ ਧੂਆਂ and is a visible indication of air pollution, and we can say that that is a air pollution. Okay, ਉਹ air pollution ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਧੁੰਦ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੈ ਗਈ fog. Okay, somewhere air pollution is also there. Due to air pollution, fog is there. Okay, studies have shown that regularly breathing air that contains any of these substances increases the incidence of allergies, cancer and heart diseases. and this air pollution. Okay, if we will breathe in this air, then this air pollution cause many type of diseases like allergies, different allergies, cancer, heart diseases. And increase in content of these harmful substances in air is called air pollution. And if these harmful substances, oxide like harmful substances increase in the air, and hydrocarbon like harmful substances increase in the air, then they may cause the air pollution. Okay, they affect to air and air affect to us. Now you may see the growth of lichens in this picture 14.3, as we discussed about this activity yesterday. Now we will continue next topic on the book page number 193. Okay, you have to open your science book page number 193. Our next topic is water, a wonder liquid. Water means pani. The other name we call it a wonder liquid. Okay, water occupies a very large area of earth surface and is also found underground. We know that on the earth 75% area is covered with water. Okay, and it is also found underground. Okay, underground water is also there on earth. Some amount of water exists in the form of water vapor in the atmosphere, and some amount of water appear in the atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere means in the air in the form of water vapors, ਭਾਫ ਦੀ form ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Most of the water on earth's surface is found in seas and oceans and is saline. And some of the water found in seas and in oceans and saline. Saline means salty water. Fresh water is found frozen in the ice caps at the two poles and on snow covered mountains. And fresh water where we found in the ice caps. Okay, or that is covered by the side of mountains. The underground water and the water in rivers, lakes and ponds is called fresh, and that water present in rivers, in lakes, in ponds, that is also fresh water. However, the availability of fresh water varies from place to place. Okay.